Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy a JetBlue plane tickets online in 2023. JetBlue is a popular American airline known for its exceptional service and affordable flights. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of booking your JetBlue plane tickets hassle-free. So let's get started and make your travel dreams a reality. So let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by visiting the JetBlue website. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you'll have to go to this URL section, simply type jetblue.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of JetBlue website where you can get your ticket. And from here, of course, if you don't know much about the JetBlue plane, you can scroll down, read more information about it, see the reviews of people about it, because a lot of people will not just go and get tickets on a random plane that they know nothing about. So if you're unsure, you can go like scroll down, read more information about it, see the reviews of other people. And now if you have an account, of course, you can go log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on join now to create an account for yourself, because this will prevent you from doing like the step of filling your personal information while you're trying to get your ticket. So here in the home screen, as you can see, you'll be able to get your flight tickets, flights and hotels, flights and cruise, cars, or even stays. So for us, I'm just going with flights. Of course, you can go and check whatever suits you or choose whatever suits you here and fill the information that you want. So where you're going to start. So I'm just going with the suggestion here. So let's say Malaga. And two, as an example, I'm just going to, let's see, I don't know. Okay, let's just browse by regions here. And United States, let's just go to Denver. Why not? So the departs, it's gonna be the last 21st of this date, or sorry, 31st of this date, or 31. And of course, the return should be, or you can even like use one or just fill the depart. That means you have one way trip. That means you will not get like another ticket. So you can do so if you want to even can get the return. So the last of the September, of course, and click on search flight for me on the return. So here's an example. As you can see, no flights have been found for your search criteria. So you'll have to simply change like the dates depending on other things. So let's just choose like the return dates here, the depart dates here, and click on search flights. So let's just see again, we don't have any flight. Let's even go or visit the Bear Fare Finder. So here as example, they already filled this for us. So click on updates first. So there is no flights found this month. That's why they have no flights. So next month, no, nothing. This month, nothing, nothing, nothing. So maybe they just don't have any like planes between those two options. So let's just go back. And of course, we'll have to wait a bit here. Let's just change this Malaga as example. So from, I don't know, I'm just going from like Atlanta. Why not? And click on search flights. And let's see if we get any planes here. So let's see, should not take a lot of time. So yeah, we get like some planes from here. So from here, example, you can change the dates as example, depending on even the price. So as example, I can even choose this because it seems here like the cheapest one, 131. It seems like the cheapest one that I can find here. There's even more cheap than it's like in this day or this date, this date, this date. So depending on whatever suits you. As example, I'm just going to choose this one. Let's see if there's cheapest than this. So 85 is the cheapest, it seems like. Yeah, so let's just choose this. So as example, I'm just going to choose the quickest is this one. You can even like see other ones, but I'm just going to get this one. And for if you select like a blind flight or a plan or a flight tickets, as you can see, you will get plans to choose from. So we have the Blue Basic, the Blue or Blue Extra. Blue Basic will get you like carry-on bag allowed, and not allowed, of course, except for transatlantic flight. fee for change and cancel, and advanced seat selection, late boarding. For the blue one, you'll get a free carry-on bag and advanced seat selection, no change and cancel fees. For the blue extra, early boarding, expedited security if avail of course, free, change, cancel, same day or even same day switch. So I'm just going with the blue extra example. And here we'll have to select a plane for the return. So they even get for us, I guess, the best price here. Can even go and check for bitter. I don't think we have bitter, so simply I'm just going to select this one and I'm going with the blue extra again. So here we'll have to wait a bit, and as you can see, we have our two planes. Here we have the total amount that we are going to pay. So click on next checkout. And if you do so, as you can see from here, you'll be able even to add like refund it back to your original from payment. So you can add like refundability if you want to. And let's just go and click on next travel details. So from here, you'll be able to sign in into your account if you have an account, so you don't fill all the information, or if you don't want to, you can continue as a guest. If you click on continue as a guest, you'll have to fill all this information by your own. So the personal information should be filled by your own. After that, you'll have to choose your seats and choose any extra that you want. So you'll be able, if desired, you can add extras such as checked baggage or seat selection or travel insurance during the booking process. And of course, after all of that, make sure to review your booking because before proceeding to payments, you will have to do so if you made a mistake or something like that. So before proceeding to payments, review all the details of your booking, including flight information, passenger details, and any extra added. Then you can simply go and make your payments. After that, you'll be able to come back always to JetBlue to check in online if you want. So you can opt like for online check-in, which can save time at the airport. You can also be provided with a mobile boarding pass. And if you do so, you will be now good to go. You'll have your plane tickets after paying, and even like online check-in if you want to. You can even go and check in person at the airport if you want to. So depending on whatever you suit you. So that's it. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully booked your JetBlue plane tickets online. And you're all set up for your incoming journey. So JetBlue's, of course, user-friendly website makes the booking process easy and efficient. Remember to verify all the details before finalizing your payments. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and we wish you a fantastic travel experience with JetBlue. So if you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel related tips and tutorials. So bon voyage, and of course if you have any issues, like you can leave them down below in the comment section or go and contact the JetBlue support if you want more help. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.